Okay, let's talk about numbers 1 to 13. Set 4 explainer ito. So if you have seen the first ones, I know na you'll find this easier. Set 4 na booklet is a little bit different sa iba. Kasi nakalink doon sa QR code sa gilid ng booklet yung mga lessons na related doon sa topic na nakalagay doon sa test. Okay? So you can follow along with those there. Number 1, what is 24,312 times 21 plus 6,539? So again, last digit rule tayo. 2 times 1, 2, plus 9 is 11. So ang last digit is 1, kaya ang tamang sagot ay letter D. Okay? So I know by now, madali na to sa inyo. Number 2. Okay? So again, same thing na gagawin natin sa before. Ito yung plus y squared. Wala namang ibang y. Kaya lang, I included y squared sa lahat. So, hindi ito makakatulog masyado. But, if you look at yung ating last digit rule sa gilid, 12 times negative 3 is negative 36. At dahil isa lang ang may negative 36, the answer is letter B. Okay? Number 3, ito fraction to. So, if you haven't seen yung fraction lesson natin, you can go ahead and check that out first. So, you have 1 and 7 over 20 plus 6 and 1 over 8. What I do is magsasama ko agad yung mga whole numbers. You have 7, and then you have yung 7 over 20 plus 1 over 8. Okay, so ALCD lang natin ito. Okay, so that would be over 40. So 14 plus 5, so that is 19 over 40. So that is letter D. Okay? Sunod, subtraction tayo. Okay? So 2 over 3 minus 12 over 24. Yung 12 over 24, yung lowest terms muna natin para sa dali. Since pareho silang even, pwede mo silang divide sa 2. Yung 6 over 12, pwede pa uli sa 2. So that is 3 over 4. 3 over 6. Pwede uli sa 3. So that is 1 half. Okay? Ngayon, if you look at this and you see agad na 12 over 24 is 1 half, that's even better kasi mas madali nyo siyang makukuha. Okay? So, 2 over 3 minus 1 half. LCD lang natin uli yung 3 at saka 2. So, that is 6. This is going to be 4 minus 3. So, the answer is 1 over 6, letter A. Number 5, 2 and 3 fourths times 2 and 3 fifths. So, pagdating sa ganito, the best thing that you could do would be to convert these into improper fractions. So, yung 2 and 3 fourths, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3, that's 11. 11 over 4 times 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5. Pag nagmumultiply ng fraction, tapat-tapat lang. So, 11 times 13 over 4 times 5 lang. So, that is 20. Ito, you have 130, which is 10, times 10 plus isa pang 13. So, that is 143. Okay? Pinakita ko lang dito kasi this can go on in your head if mabilis kayong mag-add. That is how I solve things usually. Okay? So, the answer is 143 over 20. So, natanong agad, ilang 20 meron sa 140? That is 7. So, 7 and 3 over 20 ang sagot. Letter C. Number 6. Ito, division siya. So, 2 over 7 divided by 6 over 1. Pag i-divide, babaliktarin mo siya. Reciprocal. So, 2 over 7 times 1 over 6. Ang sagot ay 2 over, and then 7 times 6 is 42. So that is 1 over 21. Letter B. Okay? So very important for you na i-reciprocal yan ha, kasi pag hindi nyo ginawa itong step na to, magkakamali kayo. Number 7, 26% of 620. Okay? So I've already demonstrated yung mga techniques regarding percentages. Make sure that you watch the videos noon. Medyo marami na rin yun. There are options that you could do. You can either multiply it right away, 620 times 0.26, or what you could do would be yung ginagawa kong technique. Ngayon, yung 26%, malapit yan sa 25%. At yung 25% ay 1/4. So, pwede ko to i-divide na lang sa 4. Tansyahan lang. Kahit tansyahan lang. Okay? Divided by 4, this is 155. Kasi ang 150 times 4 is 600. So, 155 is 25%. It has to be just a little more than 155. So, kung alam nyo na agad yun, nahuhulaan nyo na letter B yung sagot. Another thing that you could do would be buuin natin yung 26%. So, yung 26 can be 10 plus 6 or plus 5 and then plus 1%. So, you can use 62, kalahati na 62 which is 31. And then you have yung 1% which is 6.2. And then add them lahat. This will still give you 161.2. Or you can do it na 26 is 25 plus 1. So you have yung 1/4 natin which is 155 plus 1% which is 6.2. This is still going to give you 161.2. So again, whatever method works for you, kung ano mas mabilis, yun ang gamitin nyo sa exam. Number 8. 868 is what percent of 1,240? Ang equation yan is 868 is equal to equals what percent, that would be your x, of is multiplication, okay, and then 1240. So if you want to solve the traditional method, this is what you're going to use. Ito yung formula niya. What I do usually is i-estimate ko na lang siya, okay? So ang una kong tanong is yung 868 kalahati ba siya ng 1,240? Lagpas pa siya ng kalahati. If you notice, ang kalahati na 1,240, ang 1/2 niya, 50%, is kalahati niyan, which is 620. Ito 868, so mas mataas siya, higher siya than 50%. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na pwede itong sagot, hindi na ito pwedeng sagot. Dalawa na lang pinagpipilian natin. We can start to eliminate stuff na. So, after that, you can use trial and error. Since magkadikit ng onti ito, you can add another 10%, which is 124. Another 10%, another 124. And then, i-add na natin sila to make sure. This is going to give us 868. Pasok na yan. So, ibig sabihin, 50, 60, 70%. The answer is letter C. Para lang hindi kayo mag-algebra. Kasi pag hindi, ang gagawin nyo would be, i-divide nyo siya. Medyo mahirap mag-divide ng decimal. So, that is just me giving you, again, options. Number 9, 387 is, again, equals 45% of what number? At dahil yung number na yun ang hinahanap, yun ang magiging x natin. Okay? 45% times x. That is yung traditional method. Okay? Again, you can divide both sides by 45% and get the answer. Pero kung allergic kayo sa pag-divide ng mga decimals, what you could do would be, dahil ang 387 ay 45% ng isang number, okay? Pwede natin tansyahin yan, okay? Pag tinansya nyo kasi yan, ang times 2 niyan would be yung 90% ng number na yon, right? Malapit na sa 100%. So, ita-times 2 ko yung 387. That is around 800 na, no? 800 pag times 2 ko. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung 360, 680, hindi na siya probable na maging sagot. So, dalawa na lang pagpipiliin natin. 860 o 1240. So, the next thing that we're going to do would be, tansyahin natin kung ano mas better na answer. Kung kulang kayo sa time, mas practical na 860 kasi malapit na nga yung 800 doon eh. 1240 medyo malayo pa. If you want to make sure, you can choose one number kasi na-eliminate natin yung dalawa. Dito na tayo mamimili. Yung 860, pwede mong kunin yung 45% niya. And ang 45% can be 50% minus 5. So, ang 50% kalahati nito is 430 minus 5%, which is iuurong lang natin decimal places and beses, which is 43. That is going to give us 387. So, pasok tayo dyan. The answer is letter B. Number 10, ratio rotation ito. So, just make sure na itapat ang tamang numbers. You have 11 over x is equal to 3 over 63. So, pwede natin ito i-lowest terms. Pareho siyang divisible sa 3. This becomes 1. This becomes 21. Divide lang natin both sides by 3. Ikot na natin siya. So, 21 divided by 1 is 21 times 11. So, 21 times 11. Pwede nyo isolve ng ganyan. Or 210 plus another 21. That is going to give us 231. The answer is letter B. Okay? And I promise if you have a copy of the workbook, if you practice really hard and masagutan niyo yung mga worksheets na nandun, bibilis at bibilis kayo pagdating sa exam. Number 11, a train car can hold up 250 passengers at a time. How many train cars do you need to carry 1,200 passengers? So, bawat isa daw train car, 150 passengers sa isa. Okay? Ilan daw ang kailangan para makakarry ka ng 1,200? So, ang gagawin na natin is, i-divide lang natin yung 1,200 by 150. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin is, i-divide lang natin yan. Ngayon, yung 1,500, okay, is times 10 na yan. Bitin siya sa 1,200. So, babawasan pa natin ng dalawang 150 which is 300. Lalabas ito. So, ibig sabihin, minus 2, this is times 8. So, letter C, 8. Again, if you want to divide this way, pwede na naman. Okay? Number 12. Okay, I already demonstrated this in some earlier videos. You just put a cross kasi may namatay. Okay? And then you put yung amount. So, 488,000. Pero I suggest 488 na lang. Ilagay nyo na lang yung tatlong zero dito sa gilid. Nakaabang na yan para dun sa sagot. So, 488. Tapos, ang ratio is 4 is to 2 is to 2. Okay? Dahil yan ang ratio natin, i-add natin yan lahat. 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So, i-divide lang natin. This is going to give us 61. Okay? 61. And then, ang hinahanap is how much should her children. Ngayon, dito usually nagkakamali iba. Okay? Pag children kasi is kasama yung son at saka yung daughter. Ibig sabihin, kung yung son gets 122 at yung daughter gets another 122, ipagsasama mo pa yan. That is actually 244,000. Okay? Bakit? Kasi children. Children, hindi lang isa. Dapat pareho sila. So, 122,000 plus 122,000, that's going to give you 244,000. So, be careful lang dyan. Kaya ko yan nilagay. Kasi baka masyado kayo nasanay sa technique sa practice test booklets 1 to 3. At least, pagdating sa exam ready kayo kung ganitong klase bigla yung lumabas. 13. The store put all of its goods on sale at 15% less than the original price. What is the original price of a pair of shoes if the discounted price is 1,020? Okay, so again, I made a video na on this. You can watch it to learn it if you haven't yet. Ang formula natin is the new price is equal to the original price plus or minus the original price times the percentage. Ito yung traditional method. In this case, dahil nag-15% na discount ka, nabawasan. So, the original price, which is yung X natin na hinahanap, minus the X times 15%, okay, is equal to 1,020. Ito yung formula, okay, if you're using the traditional method. Ngayon, I thought yung method ko, yun na you'll just use ratio rotation, so I'll show you that. Then, itatapat-tapat lang natin. Okay? Yung 1,020, this is the peso side, tapos meron kang percentage side. Yung 1,020, yun ay discounted price. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan na ng 15%. So, kung yung original price is 100%, this is going to be 85% na lang kasi nabawasan na siya ng 15. And then, ito yung X natin kasi natin alam ko yung katumbas. And then, we're just going to do ratio rotation. So, pwede pa ito bawasan kasi pareho siyang divisible sa 5. This is going to give us 17 over 20. So, you can just rotate, no? So, 1020 divided by 17 times 20. Di-divide lang natin yung 1020. I-divide natin sa 17. So, 102, that is going to give us 6. 102, 0, so 60. 60 times 17 is 10,020. Tapos ito, i-multiply lang natin siya only sa 20. So, 60 times 20, you have 12, and then 2 more zeros. The correct answer here is letter A, 1,200. Okay? So the next video will talk about the rest of yung items na kasunod nito. So make sure that you watch that. God bless sa inyo guys.